This is not just turmeric milk. This is golden turmeric milk, made the traditional way. It is prepared with fresh ginger, a small piece of cinnamon, and black pepper. But the most important ingredient is raw turmeric, fresh turmeric that grows naturally from the ground. Nothing is powdered in this recipe. All the ingredients are lightly crushed, so their natural oils and extract blend perfectly into the milk. This simple cup is perfect for cold weather, body pain, tiredness, and daily immunity. Coarsely crushing ingredients is one of the best methods. Compared to powder, freshly crushed ingredients, especially ginger, turmeric, and black pepper, release more extract and natural oils into milk. 1. Benefits of coarsely crushed spices. When you lightly crush fresh turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper using a mortar and pestle and boil them in milk, freshness and flavor increase because essential oils are released naturally. Crushing opens up the fibers, allowing the full goodness to infuse into the milk while boiling. After boiling, you can strain the milk if you prefer, or chew the crushed turmeric. It is also very beneficial. 2. Best time to drink turmeric milk. This milk can be consumed at any time, but drinking it at bedtime gives the best results. Why at night? At night, the body goes into repair mode. When you drink this milk before sleeping, turmeric and spices get 6 to 8 hours to work. It helps reduce body pain and fatigue, so you wake up feeling fresh and relaxed. When to drink in the morning. If you have severe cold or chest congestion, you can drink it after breakfast to keep your body warm throughout the day. 3. Special winter benefits. In winter, this milk works like nectar. Its benefits double in cold weather. It keeps the body warm from inside. Turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon all have warming properties. They protect the body from cold and help maintain internal temperature. Shivering and cold sensitivity reduce significantly. B. Relief from phlegm and congestion. Winter often causes chest congestion. This warm milk helps melt phlegm and clear it out. It provides quick relief from sore throat and dry cough. C. Reduces joint stiffness. Cold weather can cause muscle stiffness and joint pain. This milk helps reduce inflammation and pain, making your body feel lighter in the morning. D. Opens a blocked nose. If your nose is blocked, inhale the steam from the hot milk and then drink it. This helps clear the airways naturally. Quick tip. In winter, use jaggery instead of sugar for sweetness. Jaggery is warming and rich in iron, making this drink even more powerful. Important. Add jaggery only after the milk cools slightly. Otherwise, the milk may curdle. Should salt be added to turmeric milk? According to Ayurveda, adding salt to milk is strictly prohibited. You should not add salt to this recipe. 1. Incompatible food combination. In Ayurveda, milk and salt are considered incompatible foods. Their combination can negatively affect the blood. Long-term consumption may increase the risk of skin problems, like itching, eczema, psoriasis, or white patches. 2. Effect on digestion. Salt can alter the protein structure of milk, making it heavy to digest and causing stomach issues. What if you have a severe sore throat? Do not add salt to milk. Instead, follow these better options. Rock salt, rare exception. In extreme cases of heavy phlegm, a tiny pinch of rock salt is sometimes allowed medicinally, but regular table salt should never be used. Even rock salt is best avoided. Best alternative, desi ghee. Add half a teaspoon of desi ghee to the milk. Ghee lubricates the throat, relieves dryness, and provides quick comfort from cough. Final conclusion. Do not add salt to turmeric milk. Use jaggery or honey for sweetness, or drink it plain. Salt should always be avoided. If you like this video, share, like, subscribe this channel. Golden turmeric milk doesn't work only on the surface. It supports the body deeply, from the inside. One major benefit is better digestion. Raw turmeric and ginger help activate digestive enzymes, so heavy food breaks down easily, and bloating or gas reduces over time. This milk also helps clean the system naturally. Turmeric supports liver function, which helps the body flush out toxins slowly and safely. Another powerful benefit is better sleep quality. Warm milk combined with natural spices helps relax the nervous system. Drinking it at night can calm the mind and support deeper, more restful sleep. Golden turmeric milk is also excellent for skin health by reducing internal inflammation and supporting blood purification. It helps improve natural glow and may reduce dullness over time. For people who feel low energy or weakness, this milk helps improve nutrient absorption. When digestion improves, the body starts using vitamins and minerals more efficiently. It also supports muscle recovery After a long working day or physical activity, this drink helps the body relax. Healthy fats from milk and the active compounds in turmeric support overall balance in the body, especially during seasonal changes. This is not an instant medicine. It works gently and naturally. With regular use, the body slowly becomes stronger, calmer, and more balanced. That's the real power of golden turmeric milk. Simple ingredients, but deep, long-term benefits.